Hey, what's up guys? Deek, relaxshacks.com. A lot of people asking about some of the original art pieces I do. In fact, this one right here behind me goes out to, ships out to Miami later today. Pretty psyched about that. A statement piece from some high-end apartment down there. A lot of people see my artwork, want to pick one up and want some of the more affordable stuff. So listen to this. I've done a ton of t-shirts for the Stay Vocal clothing line in the past. And I'll show you some of them as I blather here. But more recently, I did a tiny house one and a community one, which is like this robot treehouse, tiny house with tiny houses in the background. And right now, for the next week, if you pick one of those up, and there probably still is time to ship them for Christmas, I hear, if they're shipped out by tomorrow. But if you pick one of those up, you will get a free, in addition, a free original baseball card repurposed art piece that's a mouthful from me, and a really cool art sticker from one of my favorite artists, a dude who goes by the name of Keemo, K-E-E-M-O. So check out stayvocal.com for one of the shirts. Link down in that thread below. Check one out and you'll get a free art piece from myself and one from Keemo. That's our Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Kwanzaa, and Festivus to you.